Hello, my dudes. Rob from OpenSource EV, and today we are here to talk cup holders. As everybody knows, the Rivian has 4 cup holders, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and sometimes you just need one more. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Aux Next Gen Kit. We're going to talk about the BeverageStation, the installation, the types of beverages that they can hold, everything about it. Let's hop right into it. The Next Gen Aux cup holder is a fairly straightforward product. You have 2 different size cup holders. You have a standard size here, which is great for a can or a 20-ounce bottle of water or soda. And you have a slightly larger size, which is great for a water bottle. And then you have 5 different ways of attaching it. Under the rear seat of the R1T, near the passenger footwell, on the lower door pocket, and at the top of each of the doors. This is the rear door, that's the front door. Now let's talk about BeverageStation. You have full BeverageStation and BeverageStation Mini. Both of these install on the lower center console area in the front seat. The big difference between the two is BeverageStation can hold up to 3 drinks and BeverageStation Mini can hold up to 2. This installs across the lower center console area via this support bracket. BeverageStation Mini installs near the passenger footwell. Let's take a look at how both are installed. First step is the passenger side bracket. It's the one with 2 mounting locations on it. Notice the tab on the inside. This slides in between a panel gap. Rotate it inside outward. You may want to tug on it to ensure that tab is inside the panel gap. BeverageStation Mini can now install the clamps and the rotation lock to hold it all into place. If you have full BeverageStation, you will not need the rotation lock. Go ahead and install the clip on the driver's side the same way as the passenger. Once you have the 2 clips installed on both sides, the next is to install the main support bracket. This installs with the additional mounting locations forward in the vehicle, and it just snaps right onto both and can slide backward and forward in the vehicle. From there, you want to have your clamps. These are 45-degree angle holder. Snap those on there, and they snap right on to the main support bracket. The idea here is with these angled forward at a 45-degree angle, it's easier to insert and remove drinks from the clamp. Finally, we want to note that BeverageStation clamp locations are optional, and you can slide them forward enough to allow for install and removal of camp speaker or camp drawer. That concludes our video on cup holders for the Rivian R1T and R1S. Products shown in this video are available for purchase today on OpenSourceEV.com. They're also available as a free open source design on printables.com that you can 3D print yourself for little to no cost. Thanks again for watching this video. This is Rob from OpenSource EV, and I'll catch you in the next one.